Okay, this is June 2019, question 9a, and it says, the diagram below shows a circle where AC is a diameter, B and D are two other points on the circle, and DCE is a straight line, angle CAB is 28 degrees, and angle DBC is 46 degrees. We're to calculate the value of each of the following angles, and we're to show detailed workings where necessary, and give a reason to support your answer. So we're to calculate the size of angle DBA. Angle DBA. Alright, so let's identify that angle. The angle we're being asked to calculate the size of is this angle. It is angle DBA. Alright, angle DBA, that's the angle there. So whenever three letters are used to reference an angle, the angle is always at the letter in the middle. The letter in the middle is B, so the angle is angle DBA, and the angle itself is at B. Alright, so this is the angle here. Alright, first of all, this entire angle here is 90 degrees. So I can say that that angle ABC is equal to 90 degrees, and the reason for that is that this angle is the angle in a semicircle, or an angle in a semicircle. So the angle in a semicircle measures 90 degrees. So that entire angle is 90 degrees. So if that angle is 90 degrees, it means that angle DBA would be equal to 90 degrees minus 46 degrees. So that angle here is equal to 44 degrees. All right, and down here we're given space where we could write the reason. And so the reason that we came to that conclusion is because angle ABC is equal to 90 degrees. It is an angle in a semicircle. Alright, so the angle in a semicircle measures 90 degrees. So this entire angle is 90. We know piece of it. First piece was 46. So the other piece, which is the piece we want to find, angle DBA, is equal to 44 degrees. So next we're asked to determine the size of angle DAC. So let's just identify where that angle is. We're asked to determine the size of angle DAC. So this is the angle here that I want us to find. It is angle DAC. Alright, so I'm going to tell it from now, this angle is 46 degrees. Alright, and the reason for that is that these two angles, that's this angle here and this angle here, they're called angles in the same segment, and angles in the same segment are equal. They both start and end at the same point on the circumference, and the angles themselves are formed at the circumference in the same segment. So these two angles are called angles in the same segment, and they're both equal to 46 degrees. So let's go on writing that answer. So angle DAC, so I can say that angle DAC is equal to 46 degrees, and this is because there are what? Two angles are angles in the same segment. Alright, so if I want to write my reason, I could say angle DAC and angle DBC are equal, and the reason for that is that they are angles in the same segment. Alright, so both of them start and end at the same point. So they both start at D and end at C, and the angle itself, the two angles are formed at the circumference in the same segment. Those two angles are equal, and the two angles are equal, and they're equal because they're angles in the same segment. Next, let's go back to our diagram. Next, we're asked to determine the size of angle. We're asked to determine the size of angle BCE. Angle BCE. So this angle here. We should determine the size of angle BCE. That's this angle here. All right. Now this angle here that we want to find. First of all, we can establish that ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, and angle BCE, this is the exterior angle, the exterior or external angle of a cyclic quadrilateral, and this angle here, this entire angle here, is called the opposite interior angle, opposite interior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral. Alright, and the exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to the opposite interior angle. Alright, so we can then write that in to say that angle BCE is equal to 46 plus 28 is equal to 74 degrees. Alright, and the basic reason for that is that the exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is, and this angle is what angle BCE, that's exterior angle, is equal to the opposite interior angle. Alright, and the opposite interior angle is angle BAD. Alright, so those two angles are equal. Those two angles are equal. So that is angle BCE, which is the exterior angle, is equal to angle BAD, which is the opposite interior angle. The exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to the opposite interior angle. So angle BCE is equal to 74 degrees. All right.